Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make aftershave at home. Aftershave can be made from three very important materials. These are ethanol, glycerin, and menthol. Other materials which are optional are color and perfume. To produce about 250 ml of aftershave, the quantity of materials needed are 200 ml of ethanol, 50 ml of glycerin, a tablespoon of menthol, and 10 ml of perfume. Now measure a small quantity of ethanol and dissolve the menthol in it. Stir the mixture until all the menthol dissolves. Add your glycerin. Now add more ethanol to it. Now you can also add your perfume and color. In this particular production, we are not using any color. We will go with the transparent liquid. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your aftershave is ready for use. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.